Want to speak English from the very first day without feeling like your tongue is doing push-ups?
Yes, and without reading 1,000 grammar rules that make your brain cry.
Good, because today we will show you how to start speaking English easily on day one.
No stress, no boring lecture, just simple steps, easy lines, and a little courage.
And if you make mistakes,
Congratulations, you are officially learning.
let's go.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast.
I'm Lima.
And I'm James.
Today's topic is super helpful for beginners, how to learn English speaking easily on the first day.
This episode is for people who say, I understand a little English, but when I try to speak, my mouth goes on vacation.
Yes, your brain says, say something, and your mouth says, no thank you.
If that sounds like you, stay with us.
We will keep this very simple, very practical, and a little funny.
Because learning English should feel like a fun walk, not like carrying a sofa up the stairs.
Exactly. So if you are ready, take a deep breath,
Relax your shoulders.
and let's begin your English speaking journey from day one.
Lima, let's start with the big question. What is the easiest way to learn English speaking on the first day?
The easiest way is this. Do not try to learn everything. Try to speak something.
Ooh, that is good.
Many beginners make one mistake. They think, first I will learn all grammar, then I will speak.
And that day comes after 47 years.
Exactly. Speaking starts when you speak, not when you become perfect.
So day one is not about becoming fluent.
No, day one is about opening the door.
I like that. So what should a beginner do first?
First, learn small, useful sentences, not difficult sentences, not big textbook lines, just simple English you can use every day.
Like what?
Like these. Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
My name is Lima.
I want to learn English.
Please speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
I don't understand.
Thank you.
See you.
These are small but powerful.
Yes, these are survival sentences. They help you start.
So tip number one, learn useful short sentences first.
Correct.
What is tip number two?
Listen and repeat.
Ah, the famous repeat method.
Yes, it is simple but very effective. You hear a short sentence and you repeat it.
Like a parrot.
Yes, but a smart parrot.
Good. A very ambitious parrot.
Let's do a quick example. I say, hello, my name is Lima.
Then I repeat, hello, my name is Lima.
Good. Now, I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
See, that's how it starts. Short line, clear voice, repeat again and again.
Some people feel shy doing this.
Then do it alone first, in your room, in front of a mirror, in the kitchen, in the car, anywhere.
Yes, the spoon will not judge you.
Your mirror may look surprised, but it will support you.
So tip number two, listen and repeat simple sentences every day.
Exactly. Next step, James.
Now tell me this. Should beginners start with grammar or speaking?
Speaking first. Small grammar can come later.
That may shock some people.
I know, but think about children. They speak first. Then they learn grammar.
True,
If a beginner starts with too much grammar, they become scared.
because English grammar has many rules.
And some rules are friendly.
And some rules behave like angry cats.
Very true.
So on day one, what grammar is enough?
Only very basic things. For example,
I am.
you are.
He is.
She is.
I like.
I want.
I need.
I can. These small structures help you build many sentences.
Let's try some.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I like tea.
I like movies.
I want water.
I want to speak English.
I need help.
I can do this.
Beautiful. These are easy and useful.
So tip number three, use simple sentence patterns.
Yes, when the pattern is easy, speaking becomes easy.
What if someone says, I know words, but I cannot make sentences?
Then they need to stop collecting random words like stickers.
Yes, some people know Apple, window, elephant, yesterday, beautiful, sandwich.
But cannot say, I am hungry.
Exactly.
So the goal is not just words. The goal is words inside sentences.
That is important.
For example, don't only learn the word hungry, learn I am hungry.
Don't only learn sleep, learn I want to sleep.
Don't only learn busy, learn I am busy right now.
This helps your brain speak faster.
Yes, because your brain remembers full pieces, not lonely little words sitting in the dark.
Poor lonely words.
So tip number 4, learn words with full sentences.
Let's talk about fear. Many beginners are afraid of making mistakes.
Very normal, but mistakes are part of learning.
Say that again for the people in the back.
Mistakes are part of learning.
If you wait to be perfect, you will wait forever.
Exactly. English is not a museum piece. Use it. Break it a little, fix it, use it again.
Nice.
Think of speaking like riding a bicycle.
On day 1, you may shake a little.
On day 2, maybe still shake a little.
On day 3, you shake with confidence.
Yes, but you keep moving.
So what should a beginner say to themselves?
Say, it is okay to make mistakes. I am learning.
That is powerful.
Also, remember, people usually respect effort.
Yes, most people think, oh, nice, this person is trying.
Not, oh wow, one small grammar mistake, call the police.
Exactly.
So tip number 5, do not fear mistakes, speak anyway. Now,
Okay, Lima, give us a first day speaking plan, something very simple.
sure, here is a beginner plan for day 1.
I'm ready.
Step 1, learn 5 easy sentences.
Good.
Step 2, listen to those 5 sentences many times.
Okay.
Step 3, repeat them aloud 10 times each.
Mouth exercise.
Yes, but cheaper than a gym membership. Step 4, say them in front of a mirror.
So you can see your face and build confidence,
Step 5, use them in a tiny conversation.
like a role play.
Yes, for example, hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good.
What is your name?
My name is Lima.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very simple.
Yes, but this is real speaking practice. This is how confidence grows.
So day 1 does not need 2 hours of hard study.
No, even 15 to 20 minutes of real speaking practice is great.
That sounds possible for everyone.
Exactly. Small daily practice is stronger than one giant study session once a month.
Yes, because once a month your English will say, hello, stranger.
Very true.
What about pronunciation? Many beginners worry about accent.
Accent is not the first problem. Clear speaking is more important.
So don't worry about sounding like a movie star?
No. First, sound understandable.
That is a relief.
Speak slowly, open your mouth clearly, repeat after good audio. That helps a lot.
So if someone says, my accent is not perfect,
Say, that's okay, my message is clear.
nice.
And remember, many English speakers have many different accents.
True, English is spoken all over the world.
So, tip number 6, focus on clear speaking, not perfect accent.
Can beginners practice alone?
Absolutely.
How?
Easy. Talk to yourself.
Some people may say that sounds funny.
It is funny, but it works. For example, in the morning, say, good morning, I am awake, I am tired, I need coffee.
Honest English, I like it.
In the kitchen, this is my cup, this is hot tea, I like tea.
In front of the mirror, hello, my name is James. I am learning English. I can do this.
Exactly. This builds speaking habit.
And nobody needs to wait for a partner.
Yes, if you have a partner, great. If not, still great.
So, tip number 7, practice English in daily life, even alone. What are the best topics for day 1 speaking practice?
Simple personal topics.
Such as,
Your name, your city, your work, your family, your hobbies, your favorite food.
yes, easy and familiar topics.
Let's give examples. My name is Lima.
I live in Lahore.
I am a student.
I like cricket.
My favorite food is biryani.
Excellent answer. Very important English sentence.
Yes, biryani can unite nations.
So when the topic is familiar, speaking becomes easier.
Correct, because you already know the idea. You only need simple English to say it.
So tip number 8, start with easy, personal topics.
By seeing small success. Now, I want to ask something important. How can a beginner stay motivated?
Explain that.
Don't say, I must speak perfect English in 1 month.
That sounds heavy.
Yes, instead say, today I will learn 5 sentences.
Small goal.
Today I will speak for 5 minutes.
Another good goal.
Today I will introduce myself in English.
That feels possible.
And when you complete small goals, your confidence grows.
Success creates energy.
Exactly. Celebrate little wins.
Even if the win is small?
Yes! If today you say 1 full sentence without fear, that is a win.
If today you ask, can you repeat that? That is a win.
If today you don't run away from English,
Huge win.
yes.
So tip number 9, set small goals and celebrate progress.
Before we finish, can we give listeners a super easy first day mini script?
Great idea. Let's do it. Okay, listeners, repeat after us if you want.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Lima.
My name is James.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I can speak slowly.
I can speak slowly.
I am not perfect, but I am improving.
I am not perfect, but I am improving.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Thank you.
Thank you.
See? That already sounds like a real English learner.
Yes, not perfect, but active, alive, moving forward.
And that is the goal on day 1.
So let's quickly remember today's message.
Don't wait to become perfect.
Start speaking from day 1.
Learn short, useful sentences.
Listen and repeat.
Use simple sentence patterns.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice in daily life.
Focus on clear speaking.
And celebrate small progress.
English speaking is not magic.
It is practice.
It is courage.
It is repetition.
And sometimes it is talking to your tea.
Yes, if your tea understands you, you are doing great.
And if your tea answers back,
Maybe sleep a little.
fair enough.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't stop here.
Right now, choose 5 easy English sentences and speak them aloud.
Practice them today, not tomorrow, today.
And if you want, write in the comments, I can do this.
Or introduce yourself in 1 simple English sentence.
Also, share this with a friend who wants to speak English but feels shy.
Because learning together is more fun.
And remember,
You do not need perfect English to start,
you need simple English.
and the courage to use it.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep speaking.
Bye.
Bye-bye.